Go on my side. Welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we're going to keep it short and simple. So watch on, man. Leave a like, subscribe, and feel free to comment. Yeah, man. Feel free to leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. You see me? Big up on yourself. Make we jump right into it.
Anybody will know the mother will say her daughter involved in a drug and orgy raping something here. Tell her to link me. Anybody know the mother with the little girl were involved in the Stark Ashley situation? Tell her to link me. You need to talk to her ASAP. We need full information on this thing here.
So Foota has sent a message to BadSkyla's mother. Yeah, man, the entertainer. I make them know, say, yo, they should link him. I don't know why. But, yeah, man, that was a message that was sent by Foota Hype. Viewers and subscribers, Stark Ashley also made this post to our IG. You can pause it. You can pause the video and just read it. And, you know, yeah, man. But a lot of people have it to say Stark Ashley is the Jamaican P. Diddy. Viewers and subscribers, Chaja. A bit of things are going on right now. Stark Ashley is in the hot seat. So all of this is alleged, is not 100% factual, but you know, yeah, man, the mother speak out and talk a bag of stuff about Stark Ashley. If you don't know, you can check out my latest video that I dropped yesterday. So make we continue. So the Vendetta boss Alkaline did an interview yesterday with Cliff Hughes. And the people might talk a lot of things about it, and them of you wonder if Alkaline don't know how to construct a proper sentence. Then them wonder if him don't know how to do an interview. Viewers and subscribers, a lot of people was disappointed in the interview. You see me? But me need you to understand. Say Alkaline always have something up his sleeves. Remember, say, I know the first interview Alkaline do, you know. Remember, say, Alkaline did interviews before where the interview was actually entertaining. As me, but me not gonna lie, the interview wasn't all that. It was, you can say it was boring. And the question them that we would want to hear Alkaline answer, the questions never asked. Yes, me, but always remember, say, the Vendetta boss always have something up his sleeves.
Work your ball free. Tell Craftman so we pull a technique, make him feel like so good and then
Viewers, I want to understand, you know. I don't want to feel like, say, the G don't know where I do, you know. Work your ball free. Tell Craftman so we full of technique. Viewers and subscribers, remember, say, Vybz Kartel went on an interview and him this Alkaline. You see me? Saying that it's a good water. And then this Alkaline again saying that Alkaline is a kid. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline fire back. And this back, Vybz Kartel. You see me? So I don't want nobody to come with them by yourself. And I say, yo, Kartel Name's Alkaline, that's a lie. Craftman, so we're full of technique. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline make sure say in this back Vybz Kartel pana interview. And you see the people them have it to say the G don't know how to do an interview or don't know how to speak. Viewers and subscribers, makes this.
oh, my short words are inspiration. When in a literature me have a distinction. Oh please, you be a lucky city.
So the G say all in for shorter words are inspiration. When in a literature him have a distinct. Yo, viewers and subscribers, on the low alcohol alone. Low alcohol alone. You see all of this a craft. Believe. All of this have a jaw at Kartel. Okay, if he like say Alka don't want the clash between him and Kartel, he must be mad. Alkaline I try jaw out Vybz Kartel. And he make the whole world know say, yo, me and Vybz Kartel we not good same way. Not because I see Movado and Vybz Kartel I take picture together. Alka me couldn't know say, yo, him, not because I take picture him and Vybz Kartel doing good. You see me? I feel like all of this are just craft. I just craft alcohol pull. You see me? Because the entertainer do interviews already, and the interviews them was really good. You see me? So I feel like all of this is planned for just get the place talking, because the entire place are talk about the interview. You see me? The whole place are talk about the interview. People are talk about things and I say, yo, the worst interview, Ray. You see me? So I feel like that him wanted. You see me? But, you know, big up the two entertainers them same way. You see me? The two of them are this each other. And we know say, yo, the two of them doing good. So all we can do is just relax and enjoy this whole thing between them. You see me? Yeah, man, cause you don't know. Me know everybody want the clash. Everybody want the Alka versus Kartel clash. You see me? So just relax and enjoy this whole thing between them. Hopefully we get a clash on a dancer. But yeah, the whole world see it, man. Kartel this Alka this back Kartel. Viewers and subscribers, the entertainer them full of craft. No joke. Because remember say a Kartel say man say him nah meds Alkaline, he nah meds them something there Alka and Massacre figure clash. But yet Kartel a show shades. You see me? Kartel a show shades and now Alka a show shades. You see me? So big up the two entertainers them same way, like I said. Viewers and subscribers, this was a short review, but you know you go already. You see me? Leave a like, subscribe, and just leave a comment. You see me? Feel free to leave a comment. Catch you in another one.
Work your ball free. Tell Craftman so we pull a technique, make him feel like so we good and then oh, my short words are inspiration. When in a literature me have a distinction. Oh please, we are lucky city.